The air was thick with bullets swishing and flat ladders of death. So it sounds like this Australian is kind of agreeing with the Germans. A lot of people are dying. A lot of the Australians are dying here. However, he goes on to say, there were gaps in the lines of men, wide one, small one. So that there are gaps in the line of them approaching the German trenches because those people have been killed, okay? But unlike the German trenches, it differs. The survivors spread across the front, keeping the line straight. The bullet skimmed low, from knee to groin, riddling the tumbling bodies before they touched the ground. Still, the line kept on. So like the German one, he's saying that lots of people are dying, but he's saying it's still continuing and continuing. People are still going up. Hundreds were mown down in the flicker of an eyelid, like great rows of teeth knocked from a comb. But still, the line went on, thinning and stretching. Wounded wriggled into shell holes or were hit again. Men were cut in two by streams of bullet, and still the line went on. It was the charge of the Light Brigade once more, but more terrible, more hopeless. So in that last line, we can kind of see a similarity to the German one. Remember, he said that, where did he say it? Vainly crossing the battlefield. So remember, vainly means they can't succeed. They're not going to win at this, but they're still going. Then we look at the Australian one. He's comparing to the charge of the Light Brigade. Remember, we looked at that when we did Gallipoli. But more terrible, more hopeless. He's saying they're continuing on in this, and yet still they're going to die. He's also saying that there is no point in continuing because everyone's dying. So what I want you to do on the next slide is I want you to try and find the similarities and if there's any differences between these two sources. Good luck.